In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the hatching. So first, to delete a hatch, okay, so I don't want this hatch that is all across the border. I click on it, and I can just hit the delete key, okay? Otherwise, I could also use the erase key here. I can also click on the erase, click on what I want, gone, and then hit enter. Now, all those three were associated together, so all three were erased. Okay, now if I want to edit some of this hatch, let's say I don't like this up and down hatch, I can simply double click on it. So I double click on it, and the bar changes up here, and maybe I want to change that to a solid hatch. Okay, and then I hit enter, and I'm done. Okay, let's try to edit another one, or escape to get out of this. So I double click. Again, maybe I want to change the size of it. Maybe I want to make it wider. Maybe I want to make it 3. Okay, now they're spread out wider. Maybe I want to change the angle here. Maybe I want to change it to 0. Hit enter. Now it goes in the other direction. Okay, that's one way to edit the hatch. And when you're done, you can hit escape. Okay, the next way to edit hatch is there's a hatch editor under modify. So under modify, we can hit the hatch editor. It's right here. We can click on it. And we can click on this object here, let's say. And now we can edit this hatch. Again, we can do the same items. So we can change the angle here. You can change the scale. You can also switch the hatch by clicking on this box. And you have all these previews here. So you can switch to something else, such as gravel. You can hit OK. And let's change the scale maybe to 1. And let's see how the gravel looks. And then we have the gravel inside here. Again, I'll show you that again. So in here, you got a hatch editor, which I find a little bit easier to use than double clicking. Maybe because I'm more used to it from the old days. We never used to be able to double click. Anyway, I'll use that hatch editor. I'll click on this box. I go over here. Okay, and there's more. Okay, you can pick all these little patterns here. So let's try a honeycomb. So let's see if I can find it. There's honey. See if I can create a nice honeycomb. Rotation angle, let's rotate it by 45, see what happens. And let's try scale it 2, see if it fits. And there's our honeycomb on a 45-degree angle. Again, it just requires you playing and figuring some of the items out yourself.